Hey everybody and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you the best way to record Zoom meeting without any restrictions and without any permission. So if you are willing to record your Zoom meetings with audio, this video is going to be really helping you out. So first you need to install this software that I have currently opened, and I'm currently using it for recording my screen as well. So over here you can see the audio levels as I speak are also responding to my audio. So it is also recording the background of Zoom. So once you have your meeting ongoing, you can simply click on this start recording option, which is currently already started. So we need to click on stop once we want to stop. And this is really free to use software called OBS, as you can see over here. Let me show you its name. So this is OBS 32.1.0 latest version, and this is how you can record your Zoom meetings.